Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Here let's find and select the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and simply choose lock screen and security. So here you've got access to Fingerprint Manager, let's tap it, and here you've got the tutorial. Tap next. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to use and add some backup screen lock method. So let's decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's draw it again just to confirm it. You have to choose one of the form of notifications. You can select show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Let me choose the first one. Let's tap done. Let's tap next to this tutorial, and now you are ready to start. So let's find your sensor. The sensor is located right here at the back of the device, and let's start tapping your sensor. So you have to tap your sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. And as you can see, in my case, the fingerprint is added. So now you can do two things. You can add another fingerprint, or you can tap done. And now if you would like to lock your device, let's press power key, and in order to unlock the phone you can use the pattern, or you may do the same thing by using your fingerprint. Let me show you. That's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.